Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. Make sure if you like this video, you also subscribe to my channel and like the video by hitting that thumbs up down below. Let's go ahead and get into this video. I am planning in my social media planner, which is my work. It is the 13th through the 19th of December. And I am going to be using this new Seasons of Color large sticker book. And it's right up here at the front, the Christmas section. There's these really gorgeous, super deep green, red, and some orange, which is a little bit confusing, but I'm just gonna go with it. I'm gonna pretend like it's all red and green. And I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to this. And today actually starts the 12 days of planning here on my channel. So this is just a regular video. Definitely make sure you are watching for that because I can't even tell you. It's gonna be so much fun. So I always start by whiting out the parts on the page that I don't need or want and go from there. This really big, it's the merriest season of all. I was thinking of putting down at the bottom. So I'm gonna do that. And my cat has been fed 3 times today. 3 times. And it's like the morning time right now. And he is still meowing. So we're gonna pretend like it's not happening. Okay. So there's that. And then I wanted to cut up some of the other pieces and put them around. Okay. So the joy, I'm thinking up at the top. This is probably gonna be a quick video. I really don't have too much that I need to have included on this page. My husband is literally feeding him again to make him be quiet for my video. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We are desperate right now. Okay. So this really big one, I think is so gorgeous. And I think I'm gonna do maybe in this area. And good thing this is green because it doesn't clash with what's happening, you know? I believe this is the one that's called monthly colorful boxes because there's a lot of monthly boxes, but there's this really great like long box, and I'm going to use this one. So what I really need is a spot where I can list out all of my videos for the 12 days. So I want to do this on camera. So this is about 7.5. Let me see. Let me do a little bit of math. A little bit more than 2.5. So that should be 3 sections. Okay, so that is 3 rows of 4, so it comes out well. Now I'm not gonna fill it in because they're obviously surprises, but let's just say you don't want to miss any of the days, any of them. I don't know if this is the book that has super dark green. Oh, it is. Okay, good. So I'm going to use these. For that list and this list. Ooh, I really like the varying heights right there. I've never done that before. I think I want to label this. I'll use my red. And then also with that green, I'd really like a super dark green for my actually, I've stopped doing that. On impulse, I just remembered that I wanted to put my goals for the week, but I stopped doing that. Maybe I can start back. I mean, I don't see why not. But I used to write out my goals for the week for like followers and stuff. Okay, I'm gonna put that down and white out this little spot for this. Okay, so maybe I'll make that like somewhere for little notes or other kind of goals, maybe for my 12 days of planning if I want to make some goals for YouTube or something like that. That's good. So this side is done. I just want to label what these two spots are. Okay, yeah, so I can use the mega seasonal. Okay, so put it like the bottom corner each day. This box over here, I have like a decent amount of videos for Monday. I gotta prep, you know? I never used this Making Spirits Bright. It's so cute. I want to use it, I can always use it on another spread though. I'm gonna put this kind of in the middle-ish area. And I'm also going to cut these little holly leaves off. Since I'm not going to be able to use the quote, I still want to use the two little extras. So up here and I think, yeah, at the top is good. Okay. I also have the small one of this, but honestly, I think everything's filled in the way that I would like it. So there's just that one. And, you know, some other ones like this. But I think I'm all done. I feel like it is perfectly decorated, but also a ton of space for functional, you know? Let's go ahead, put it in the discs. Let's see what we think. I really love the pop of red in the discs. This is great. I really, really love it. Okay, as soon as I turn this camera off, I need to fill in everything that's going on this week because this is quite a busy week for me here on YouTube. And I am so looking forward to every single second of it. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications for this next 12 days because all of these videos are going to be so much fun. You are not going to want to miss them. So make sure you do all of that and you comment what you think of this spread. So I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.